remove the gadget at this age. Remove it,
Yes.
mommies and daddies. We know it's a drug. It's very easy to pacify a toddler, but it is not helping in the other factors that he needs for development. It's really
True.
not. You're just promoting a quiet baby or a quiet toddler, but not a developing toddler in all domains, language, physical, pati eye contact, 'di ba, Teacher Tanya? Pati yung
Yes.
pakikipag-usap ninyo nawala na. So nalulungkot po kami ni Teacher Tanya 'pag kunyari lumalabas kami at ang, isang toddler, nakatingin lang sa gadget. And if you
Yes.
ask teachers, and we've had students, we already know the students who are fully gadgeted. Kita na namin from afar, yung fully gadgeted at walang gadget sa bahay, ang layo po talaga ng difference ng mga bata. So, for this age of